Hey everyone, today I am going to show you a couple of filters. Which filter is good for your car. So we have frame here, then quality automotive, and we have one gold filter Napa, and we have one Napa performer filter. The four filter I have it. I'm gonna cut it and show you which filter is the good filter. First of all, I'm gonna cut quality automotive. Now what's inside we'll see. So this is the filter. It's not bad, see, and spring here. Now I'm going to cut Napa gold filter. Here you go. It's Napa gold. The cover is both of them same. Here you go. This is the filter. The washer on the top of the filter. This is gold. And the spring is here. This is the spring. Now I'm going to cut Napa performance filter. There you go. That is all of them use filters. We'll see which one looks good. It's Napa performance. Stuck. Similar to the gold one, but I don't know, it's stuck. This is red color, this is black color. Other than that, here you go. So filters look same, however the spring, the very small spring here, and there you go. One more. Finally, I'm going to cut frame filter. We'll see what's inside in the frame filter.
People love frame. I'm gonna cut it and show you what's inside there.
Oh, cut too fast. There you go. The frame filter. This is the washer on top, and this is the filter. And oh, this is a broken piece inside. Oh, Wow.